Do you want to know my biggest secret on YouTube? Hi, my name is Michael and this is my YouTube channel. And I want to reveal my biggest secret on YouTube, and it isn't that much of a secret. I mean, lots of people are using it on YouTube. Lots of the stars, the people that you admire, are actually using it. What's that? Well, let me give you a quick tour of what this tool can do. Dette norsk, men jeg ikke norwegier. Og jeg har aldri vært I Norge. Vel, jeg dro dit en gang, men det ikke pågnet. This was Norwegian language, but I'm not Norwegian, and I have this Norwegian language all of a sudden that I can speak to. Never been to Norway, and maybe apart from being there once, but that's not the point. Point is that I can speak Norwegian. No, I can't. How am I able to speak Norwegian all of a sudden, or anything else for that matter, is not because I've got the greatest memory of them all, not because I'm somehow multi-talented individual. It's not because I'm somehow special, although my mum thinks that I am. It's because of this tool called Teleprompter. I have been using Teleprompter for probably nearly 2 years now, on and off. Depends on when do I need it and what are the situations where I need to put very quick information out there, think about an event, think about any situations where you cannot mess up details, where you, for instance, describing a complex problem, like I did on one of my favorite videos, my most popular videos, about how to keep my white shirt white. And in that video, I've used some of the teleprompter abilities just because there were so many things to remember about chemicals that go into products, and I thought, I don't want to mess that up. I want to make sure that after doing my research, I can confidently tell that to you. So, why I'm showing you this? I'm showing you this twofold. One, to kind of ease your pain on YouTube or any other platform for that matter. Imagine you've got a very important video presentation you want to do, and you kind of struggle because you're always kind of nervous around the lights and around studio and this microphone hanging up, and all of a sudden you've got an aid. You can read the text. You don't have to memorize. There is that many action steps going on here that you may actually need that friend. This is your friend. How often you should use this? Well, you have to practice with Teleprompter. Can you just start recording anything using Teleprompter? Well, you have to practice and you have to be good at it, and you have to get to a point where if the text is moving, like right now is moving on my screen and you cannot see this, I can confidently read that text and you won't be able to tell. You want to try again? This is the text. Dette norsk, men jeg ikke norwegier. Og jeg har aldri vært I Norge. Vel, jeg dro dit en gang, men det ikke pågnet. Did you see me reading this? Or did I practice enough to kind of fool you that I'm going around to text, that I'm pausing, and I'm thinking, you know, and I'm sort of gathering my thoughts before I move on to the next line. This is how all your TV anchor news presenters doing that. They obviously using Teleprompter. And you should, my dear listener and viewer, invest in one of those as well. I think that everyone who records more than once a week and talks about complex subjects should consider going Teleprompter. Let me show you this nifty device. Let me just take my phone. Now I'll remove it from there. And this is the item in question, right? So this is the Teleprompter. It basically has got that part that slides on the actual lens, so you cannot see this. This is obviously a glass there. Yeah, you can see this. So this is glass there, and all you do is slide your phone in there and you read. You read whatever text is there in front of you. This is what I see. It's enough to kind of capture what you want to do. This particular one is from a company called Parrot Teleprompters. I found it on Amazon. They kind of like $90, which is amazingly cheap for teleprompters, because usually teleprompters are going for anything between $200 and $300. So grabbing something for $90 is a real treat. How this thing costs $90 is beyond me, because probably in China you could manufacture hundreds of these for $90, but that's what it is. They come with an app, but I'm sure you can download a free app anyhow. This company is called, hasn't got even a name on it, and this is how you do it. This is how you read Norwegian without knowing Norwegian at all. So if I can tell you one secret about YouTube, is that sometimes it's good to have a friend there telling you what you should talk about, because sometimes it's hard to gather thoughts. And I realize, and I've seen this on my channel, on my videos, that my production time went from 60 minutes, 90 minutes with changing and adding and swapping about and thinking and forgetting, to about 15 minutes per video to 20 minutes per video. If I'm doing any B-rolls, that is of course going to take a bit longer, but in general that teleprompter is doing the job. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope it was useful. Let me know if you need any explanation down below in the comments section about how am I using my teleprompter with my iPhone. But yes, otherwise try it, enjoy it, record more videos, because the things that you say are more important than the things that you can remember to say. So save your memory for something else. Write it down, put it on an iPhone, read it, enjoy it. Hi, it's Michael Frackowiak here. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you may ask, why should I do that? Well, every week I'll post 3 new videos focusing on helping you to become a better man. Helping you looking smart, that's all I do. And yes, you will feel uncomfortable, and yes, you may laugh at times, but also you're going to be inspired and motivated. Most importantly, you will get a set of skills that is going to transform your life and your business. Simply working better. Ultimately, it's going to make you more money. So go ahead, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my single episodes. And I promise you, you will not regret it.